Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the adapter, cable, and network details. Now start. Plug the USB-C adapter into your MacBook Air, then connect the Ethernet cable to the adapter and the router or wall jack. Once connected, open System Settings and go straight to Network. Mac OS usually detects a new Ethernet interface automatically. Make sure the interface appears in the list so you can configure it. This step gets physical link and lets the system recognize the wired port before any settings changes. Once the Ethernet interface is visible, select it and decide DHCP versus manual. If your network hands out addresses, choose DHCP for instant connectivity. Otherwise, pick manual and type the IP, subnet mask, router, and DNS you were given. Make sure Ethernet is placed above Wi-Fi in service order so wired traffic is preferred. Then click Advanced to verify DNS and proxy settings. This prevents name resolution issues. Finally, apply the changes and give Mac OS a moment to obtain or assign the correct address. You're almost done. Apply your settings, and if you want to force the wired connection, turn Wi-Fi off so traffic uses Ethernet. Then verify by opening a website or running ping 8. 8 in terminal, you should see successful replies. If you don't get connectivity, check the cable and adapter LED, try another port on the router, and reboot the Mac to clear any driver hiccups. One key tip: if DHCP fails, enter a known working static IP from your network to isolate DHCP server issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.